guys, I'm Alankrita and you're watching my YouTube channel Fashion Flakes. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for future notifications. Today I will show you how to draw a fashion crease face, as well as you can apply it on your figure drawings. You know, drawing a symmetrical face is really very tough for us and it's really a hectic for the beginners. So in this method you can draw a symmetrical face. So let's get started.
Here I am using a 0.5 mm micro tip pencil for more prominent detailing. Now I will draw a 5 cm by 3 cm rectangular shape for the base of my face. I have finished drawing my face, and if you are drawing it on a fashion illustration, so you have to draw it on a 1.5 by 2.5 cm rectangle. And now I will divide the rectangle into 4 equal parts. So now I have finished dividing it, and I will divide the bottom half into 3 equal sections. So now this is the eye line. This is the nose line or cheekbone line. This is the lip line and also the jaw line, and this is the chin line. And now I will divide this line into 8 equal parts for drawing the eyes. So I'm showing you the bigger version on how to draw the eyes. So you have to divide the line in 3 sections, and it's the inner corner and it's the outer corner. It will be a little bit above the line, and then curve the line. You have to touch this line in this middle section and then join this by curving a little bit. And now it's the time of iris, and it will be the 1/3 part of iris. You have to draw 1/3 part, and I'm drawing the 1/3 part, and then the pupil and the light reflection of the eyes, and then the eyelids by curving a bit the line. So I have applied the same method of drawing eye, and now it's time for the brow, and the brow will be curved from the ending part of the iris, and it will be like this. So I will apply the same method here. Now it's time for the nose, and it will be a triangular shape, a bit larger than the iris, and you have to draw only the nose holes like this, like a seed for front view. And yes, I will do the same method for the cold. And remember, it will be a little bit larger than the shape of iris. Now it's time for the lip, and I will draw a bowl shape for the lip middle section, and then the upper lips, and then the lower lips. Remember, you also can draw a open mouth lip by sectioning this into 4 lines like this, and detailing this lip. wider than the nose. Now I will draw the jaw lines by a little curving in of the face, and then the head a little outer from the rectangle. And then the cheek and the jawline and the chin. This chin will be a little smaller than the lips, and then I will connect the lines. Same here. And then I will draw her hair and her ears. Ear will be from the eye line to the nose line. And now I am drawing her ears from the eye line to the nose line, and the same with another ear. As I finished drawing this, now I will detail it with a black fine line pen. Here I am using this fine line pen. Now I have completed my detailing and I have added her collarbones, and now I will use this Faber-Castell color watercolor pencils, and this is really a helpful color pencil for beginners. These colors are very soft, and I will use the orange and the yellow color, and you have to shade the face like what I am doing. You have to shade the same places of the face. Whenever you draw a face, shade it like this. And scratch it over the lighter parts to give a little lighter shade. And after that I will use the orange color. As I don't have the color matching to the skin, I will use the combination of these two colors, so it will look like the skin color. I have finished detailing with the orange color, and now I will detail it with the yellow ochre for more darker shades. So I have finished detailing her skin, and now I will detail her blushes with this pink color. Remember, you don't have to press it deeply, you just have to scratch the pink color on her cheekbones like this and some other areas. And now I'll color her iris with this ultramarine blue. Then I will color her lips. I'm coloring her lips with that prominent red color, and then I will shade it with the black color for more detailed look. And now this is time for her hair. I will use the brown color and shade it with the black color for more detailing. I finished detailing her all aspects, and so this is the way you can draw a symmetrical face of a fashion corgi, or you can also use it in your figure sketches.
So if you like this video and found it useful, share this to your friends and subscribe to my channel.